You may have heard that Peugeot and Citroen cars use a smart battery charging system. This is controlled by the infamous BPGA module that causes a lot of issues, and one of these issues is the U1218 error code that you can commonly see in PSA vehicles when checking for DTC with a good scanner. This code means CAN network issue that hints us about a communication problem between some control modules. And there are several things that this code may be telling you about. First of all, this is one of the standard codes for low battery problems. If your 12-volt battery is 4 or 5 years old, this is most likely the culprit of your problem. Charging it or replacing with the new one will do the trick. Also, don't just rely on multimeter readings. Modern batteries need a proper load test to identify their condition. Also, this communication error may be just a glitch, and you will be able to get rid of it just by disconnecting both battery cables for 5 or 7 minutes. But if this code comes back and the battery is absolutely healthy, things may be way more interesting. First of all, you will want to check the fuses that control the smart charging system. Since this smart charging causes a lot of issues and basically reduces the lifespan of batteries, a lot of owners just take out the fuse responsible for the smart charging processor. For example, in the Peugeot 308, this fuse sits in the small fuse box that people tend to forget about. If you don't see the F3 fuse or it's blown, this is the culprit of your U1218 code, and you will fix it for free or for the price of the new 5 amp fuse. Also, investigate the pins in the connector of this fuse box. They may be corroded or loose, and you may need some help to fix this issue. Other than that, there are several connection problems that are very hard to find, since Peugeot is known for very tricky electrical systems, so you will need professional help. The good news is that independent Peugeot mechanics are very well aware of this issue and will fix it for a relatively small amount of money.